A municipality in the small Scandinavian country of Denmark decided to buy computers for all their students. They also decided to launch a project where the new computers, together with the learning tool WriteReader, would make the youngest students authors of small books based on their interests and experiences. 800 students within the municipality had 3 weeks to write and print out a lot of books.
Jeg synes, der er mange, der har skrevet, som jeg egentlig ikke har troet kunne skrive.
Det er, at man lærer flere ord, og man bliver dygtigere til at skrive og læse.
En af de ting, jeg har lært at skrive og læse, det er, at jeg er blevet bedre til at skrive, fordi at det hjælper, når man skriver videre og videre og videre.
The project ended with a book fair, where several hundred books and their proud authors gathered for a joyful afternoon of reading, soft drinks, and biscuits. A couple of weeks later, the children's books could be lent out from all the local libraries. An important acknowledgement and recognition for all the new authors, who at the same time got valuable insights into what the written language can accomplish. The project is a good case study on how a municipality can make a difference working with the written language in a meaningful way and integrate ICT into the classroom.